In this video, I will show you how to install Lunar Client on Mac. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to lunarclient.com and you can find this link in the description. Once you have Lunar Client, you're going to click on the download button at the top right here. And here you can find the version for your operating system. So you can either choose Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. We're going to choose for Mac because we want to download for Mac. Now, Mac has two chips. We have the Intel chip or the Apple Silicon chip. Now, if you want to find the chip that you have on your Mac, you can go to the top left of your Mac screen, and then you go to Apple. You go to About this Apple, and here you can find the kind of chip that you have in your MacBook. If you have the Apple chip, then you choose the Apple here, but if you have the Intel chip, you choose Intel. Now let's close this up and let's choose Apple. Now right here, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the installer to start downloading. Now once it's done downloading, we're going to click on the open button and we're going to agree. You should have this window pop up that says to install Lunar Client. What we're going to do is we're going to drag the Lunar Client icon into our application folder. And just like that, we have Lunar Client installed on our Mac OS. Now what we can do to launch Lunar Client is to go to the search button and click Lunar Client, and you can see it here. Once that's launched, you're going to click on open. Once it's launched, it's going to ask you to log in or continue as a guest. Now you're going to have to log in with your Microsoft account to restore your purchases. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to click on continue guest. We're going to click continue, and here you can launch any game that you want on your Lunar desktop application. Now that's how to install Lunar app on your Mac OS. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.